fucking demo for a refill. So we're just gonna get into it. I think I put the wrong... Did I? No, I didn't. The pitch looked weird. So I thought I got the wrong refill categories. But hey, I'm so hyped right now. Let's go. Why am I suddenly so hot? Look at me going all red, doing it. Disgusting. I just sort my settings out, so all should be well. Even though I looked at the controls and they were kind of weird, but hey!
30th, 1998.
My bad.
It's a day I'll never forget.
Mm-hmm.
The cop inside me died that day.
Oh yeah?
That night, Raccoon City was wiped out.
I can't remember the beginning of the last RE4. It was so long ago.
But too many others.
I don't think this is that long, but we'll see. We'll do DBD afterwards, so let's go. Damn, Leon!
Not that I had a choice.
Looking kind of batty over here.
Punishing missions nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off it.
Yeah, too many times, son. You're always nearly dying out here. If not dying.
Even for a second.
Hey! Oh, these are all dead, aren't they?
It can be different.
Ada. Ada. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for telling me. But yeah, I hope we're all doing well. Hope we're all doing good. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident and on... Why did they always have to do me like this? Dented, my god, by biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. I am sorry. Having distinguished himself as a US special agent, he's tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Okay. Oh, straight in it. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Well. See what's taking so long? Can I go in there? I guess not. Dude, this is kind of looking pretty nice. I like it. Will this kill me? Okay. I just wanted to say. I hear some growling. Right, what's the crouch button then? How was I crouching?
How far could he have gone?
I don't know. Well, what happened here? Oh, it's a deer, I think. You getting a little bit hungry out early on? When's the last time you ate? That is a weird button for crouch. What is this? Is this a rabbit? What is that? What is that, dude? Can I zoom? Oh, it is a rabbit. Okay, well. Like, you got a deer, you got a rabbit, so much to choose from. Is there any looty? Have you got a gun review, hon? That would be a good bet out here. Why does it take so long for me to turn? Fucking hell, dude, I'm like knocking my mouse off. Was I not meant to go in here yet? Well, it's saving, I think.
Anyone home?
Well, the door just closed. I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah, just storm straight in there, so anybody. Why not? What is this? Booze. Let's go. Set shit up. Oh. Zoom in, that bad boy. What is this? Judgment is nigh. Okay. Wow. I don't know what that means, hon. Can I? What's in here? It's a nice little fireplace. So I guess someone is around if the fire is still on. What's in these jars? What's in the big one? It looks like something's moving in there. What the fuck? Come on in, hey hon. How is it going? I hope you're doing good out it. What are you doing? Are you alright? What are you, Leon, bro? Yeah, just get a nice little feeling up the wall. But I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a banging day so far. Currently getting straight into this demo. I didn't actually realise it was out yet. Listen, I want to shut the other door first. I'm not ready. Go back. Hi! Nice eyes, hon. Yeah, I hope you're doing good. Thank you so much for coming in, honey. Thank you. Yeah, don't forget his face. Oh, we don't know Spanish, huh? Look how good he looks, dude. Oh. Dude, I'm aware now. He's dead. How dare you, bro? Please don't make me do this. Oh, he does have a gun. Okay. Oh, there's a key there. Oh, you killed him. God damn, Leon. Oh, he's not dead yet. Give me this key. An unlodged key. Yeah. You're just saying that now.
Man, that stinks.
You sure you don't want some? What is this? Nuts. Okay. Got another rabbit. Dude, I don't need a close-up. Thank you. What is this? Right, now I can actually zoom in and show that they give me the gun. Will you be playing RE4? Tata consuma an la gama a los nos of, I think. Oh, I couldn't go in there anyway because I don't have the key. Okay. Dude, don't just go storming in there. You don't know what's in here yet. Is there anything around? I don't know if this is like a time demo. I don't think it is. It didn't say. It was. You know, looking kind of nice out there, dude. I like it. Can I break these barrels? Well, apparently I don't have a knife. Do I? Oh, I do have a knife. Can I break the barrel? Dude, swing your knife. Oh, I changed the button for the knife. I don't know if I can swing it though. Right, I'm presuming your friend is dead because we heard screaming. And no, we don't hear anything. Is someone gonna jump out at you again? Please don't scare me.
Hey.
Oh, dude, I told you. You should have left while you had the chance. Nice. What happened?
I read you. What's your situation?
That's gonna go dead.
What the hell's going on?
I don't know, but why don't we ask this guy? Escape from the Hunter's Lodge. Take the badge, hun. Yes, I already know. Thank you. Anything else? There's some nice books here, and it would just take a little break and, you know, have a nice little read. Right. I don't know, but I hope there's not something here for me. Oh, what the fuck, bro? Aha, bro. Come on, what am I doing? Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh my god. I don't want to waste my ammo, and I did. And I lost some of my health. Can I have my knife back? Dude, you're looking big. Angry out it. Damn, Sunny Boy. Well, I guess rip my knife. I can get out of this. What's in here? I'm out. Thank you. Anything else? Oh, does he know? Yes, he knows. He knows. Any loot though? Any bullets, herbs, anything? Okay, no. Dude, close it. He's right behind you. He's got an axe. He's just gonna go straight through that, bro. What am I? Vada Labao. You ringing someone right now, yeah?
This is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter.
Hey, what are you saying?
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Little hottie out it.
She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Yeah, you say safe
Things happen to people
over
here.
there.
My escorts are.
I told you, bro. I told you. I warned you. Wow, fuck me. Oh, there's fucking. Oh. Dude, I've only got 5 bullets. Yeah. What if there was some bullets in there, though? You missed your chance. Hey. Is that I just give up? Wow, feels bad, hon. Look at that. Hey, hun, how's it going? What are you saying? I hope you're doing well out there. How was your day been? Is it really that windy, hun? What up? Hey, what are you saying? What are you saying? How's it going? How's it going? How's your day been? Hope you're doing well. How was your birthday? I hope it went well. I hope you had a good one. Is it a barrel to break? Nice. And I got some more ammo, can you please? Finally calls me up. I'm a good little bean. It's another barrel to break. Yeah. I hear sounds. Okay, so there's a save point in here, but I can't save because, well, it's a demo. So, it makes sense. But I guess for future reference, I know that there's a save point there. Ah, I don't care about the deer or rabbit, but as soon as I see a wolf or something, oh, that's so sad. Oh, it got stuck in a trap. That's so mean, bro. Dead? Why dead? Wait, who's dead? Oh, the wolf. Is that what you mean? Yeah, give me that. I'm gonna need all the ammo you can give me, thank you. Nice little tree in the building. There's someone here. Where are they? Oh. No. Dude, go then. Please don't say that I'm gonna go past the car and they're gonna jump out at me. Oh. Gimme. Oh, yeah, give me that money.
Hello, motherfucker.
Hey, oh, what are you saying, Michael? How's it going? No. What is that? Go. What am I doing? Oh. Dude. Oh, no. Can I shoot him through the thing? The leaves, just try. Stab him! Thank you. Is there any more? Give me your money. Look how much money I've got. I'm rich. gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. How's it going, Lucky? What are you saying? How's it going? It was on a night forest walk. Oh, nice. Oh, I didn't know that was a thing.
Damn it.
Damn it indeed, man. Ah! What the fuck? Move! Oh my god, but I hope the walk went well, honey. I hope it went good out here. Mailing that motherfucker up. How dare you? How dare you, bitch? Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, I hope it was good for you. I hope it went well out here. Oh, I got a flash grenade. Do I get a grenade? Change weapon. Why are there so many slots? How do I set materials such as resources, gunpowder, and knives can be used to craft different items. Types of items that you can craft can be increased by obtaining new crafting recipes. You can restore health using herbs or a first aid spray. The effect of herbs can be enhanced by combining them with other herbs. Red herbs increase the amount of health recovered. White, yellow herbs increase your maximum health. Oh. So if you put red with green, it increases it, but if you put yellow with it, then you get more health. How was your day? Yeah, not too bad, to be honest. Work was actually alrightish for one. Wasn't too bad, though the music went up, so it was kind of like deaders, as you'd say, because all I hear are fucking games on fucking slot machines. But yeah, it was good. It was good. Thank you. How was your day? I hope it went well out there. Set of weapons, shortcut by selecting the weapon item menu. Up to 8 weapons can be assigned at once. 2 weapons on each. See, that is kind of weird. Imagine trying to switch to a different gun. Can I combine? Can I combine? Or do I have them? I am so confused. How do I? Green, green, green. Green, green, yellow. So, what's the difference with extra 2? Like, what's the difference with an extra 1? Just a bunch more? Right, let me just do this. What's this? Gunpowder. And what else do I need? What is that? What is that? What dude, what is that? Peanuts? What is it? I can't tell what that is. Okay, I guess we'll find out. Pick it up. It looks like peanuts or something, dude. I guess I'm just big Tom Tom out here. I can't remember, what was it last time? Was it campfire? Dude, you didn't have to open a bowl, did you? Oh. Well, oh. Is he alive? Yes, of course he's alive. Oh, well, you did great to help him out there. You wouldn't, you could have literally shot the thing out of his hand. Or something. Oh, well, he's dead. Is there anyone? I hope I don't have to fight these because I don't have enough ammo for this shit. Oh no. Okay. Oh, I guess no. How about I go over here? What's over here? Loot. Oh, seat. Maybe I can just sneak by them. Right, where is my knife? Right, I'm gonna walk over and I'm gonna stab her. I honestly didn't think that was gonna work how it did, but I'm so glad it did. Thank you. Look at me, I'm big pro already. What's that over here? Okay. Got so many places to go right now. Where? Oh, fucking hell. Get in, bro. I'm scared. Right, I can try stealth this guy. He's looking at me. No, you don't know anything. Fucking hell, bro. Chicken! Okay. I can't believe it, I just got scared by that. Thank you, honey. Thank you, thank you. Can you turn it around? I need to go in there. Turn around. But yeah, I hope you're doing good out here. Oh my fucking god. Dude. What are you looking at? Thank you. Is he gonna see me? Oh, there's an egg! There's an egg! Oh, fuck me. Why you shut up now? Hey, what's in here? Anything? Barrel? Ah! Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Can I break this? I guess stop. Damn.
Here we go.
That is your fault, dude. Why in the fuck would you do that? Melee. Yeah, melee. Son of a bitch, you're coming up my ass! Bro! Go. Run away, dude. Oh my god, faster, bro. It's okay, we can pause. No, use it. Oh my god. No, turn faster. Ah, why is there so many? Oh my god, bro. Is she gonna? Oh no. Dude. What in the fuck? No. Yeah, I know there's a door, bro. Not right now. What? No. Hi, lovely eyes you got right there. Fuck me, dude. Jukes. Oh my god, how did I not get hit once? Oh, he's killing his own peeps. Kill them faster, bro. Oh no, he's coming. No. Oh no, there's so many. Give me brown chicken egg. Let's go. I don't have enough. Oh my god. I was not prepared for this. Do you think they're gonna cut me off? What is that? Climb it. Oh my god, I'm fucked. I'm so fucked. Kill them. Why am I? Oh no, dude, I'm going to a fucking dead end. Oh, go.
Present for you.
Move. What is this? Money. What's over here? Oh, there's so many chickens that I could be killing right now. Get the bots. Wait, oh no. That is not what you want to see, dude. Move out my way, please. Oh. Dude, this is too hectic for me. Oh, no, no, no. Get those grabby hands away from me. Reload. I need more ammo. Oh, dude, can you kill them, please? Thank you. Oh, dude. Oh, my God. Where am I? Oh, I don't want to be here. It's a fucking dead end, bro. How dare you, bro? I'm gonna die by the chainsaw. What the fuck? Oh my god, there's actually so many of them, dude. Maybe I just gotta kill the chainsaw guy. Why? Dude, you're fucking weak as fuck. What? Why can't I? Dude, I have 3 bullets. Right, maybe. Well, I missed that, didn't I? Got 1 bullet. What is this? Money? Gunpowder. I don't have the other ingredient. I've got money though. What's in here? Did I get away?
Huh?
Oh, it's the bell. The bell.
La campana.
Okay, bell saved me. I guess I just had to survive for a little bit, huh? Yeah, I did pretty alright there, don't you think? Grab the axe, bro. Grab the axe. Because I've only got 1 bullet. Bet you go follow him, huh? His face. Yeah, go in there and have a good chill time, because there's so many of them. I thought I just had to kill the chainsaw guy and then politely close the door. Nice, got manners out there. Beautiful. See, they still got manners. Right, can you pick some of these weapons or fucking hide them or something so they don't have them? Who's that? Do I get...
Bingo?
Let's go to a bit of bingo out there. 10, bro. Is that the demo? Probably. Not bad. 20 minutes, dude. Not bad. Good. How much money do you want me to get, bro? Is that not good enough for your ass?